Welcome to TC Next, where you can become fluent in conveying your skills, articulating your value, and displaying professional impact across industries.
Welcome to TC Next, where we help you as experienced professionals curate your portfolio of career successes and refine your professional leadership style to make the most of feedback and development opportunities at work. Welcome.
Welcome to TC Next, where we help you build your brand and scale your network strategy for lifelong professional development.
Welcome to TC Next, where we provide seamless pathways to employers for professional roles and for internships across all industries, supporting you in preparing optimized resumes, LinkedIn profiles, and interview skills.
Welcome to TC Next. Regardless of where you are in your career journey, we are here to support you with your growth, your exploration, and your self-discovery. We want you to fully optimize your educational experience at TC, and building your career relevance is part of that.
Welcome to TC Next, where we are committed to providing all Teachers College students with the skills, resources, and opportunities needed to pursue, achieve, and flourish in their postgraduate goals.
Welcome to TC Next, where we serve as your success partners, as advisors, building out your career strategy and empowering the development of your unique skills.
Welcome to TC Next.
Our Career Pathways model meets you exactly where you are to assist you with all of your career development needs while studying at TC. Each pathway maps out a suggested menu of career services, which best support your own needs and to equip you with the skills and resources so that you can be career ready and you will be able to exceed employers' expectations when seeking internships and professional positions. TC Career Pathways are in place for you to serve as a flexible roadmap intended to guide you wherever you are starting and where you currently are in your career journey through each and every aspect of career exploration and job search. The beauty and magic of TC is that we are a learning community textured and diverse in every way possible, especially with the unique professional ambitions and dreams of each and every one of our students. We know that you have come to us at a specific stage in your life with ambition, goals, and aspirations that are unique to you. We will partner with you from exactly where you are and support you in all aspects of your career development throughout your entire TC experience. Which pathway will you select? You may be early in your career and unsure of your career direction. If so, you are encouraged to start your work with us during your first semester. We will likely focus on career clarification, personal assessment, and self-discovery. A few of the types of services you may take advantage of would be individual career advising appointments, comprehensive career coaching classes, and also co-working support groups. Building your professional identity is a choice you make as a student, and we are here to support you all the way through your graduation and beyond. You may be an experienced professional who is retraining for job advancement or a career change. Since you may already have career clarity, your career pathway would be unique to your needs and focus on optimizing your experience at TC by building your professional relevance and a strong network. You might begin with building your career strategy and your professional brand. Learn the tactical strategies to build your network and build the job search capabilities to be employer ready and to be an ideal candidate for the jobs that you want. Services you may take advantage of include career accelerator programs, support groups and cohorts, individual career advising for job search strategies, classes, co-working groups, and individual advising. You may also learn about job and internship opportunities through our TC Career Portal and by participating in career fairs, networking events, and employer showcases. You may be seeking a career change or making a career pivot as a result of a transition in your life that may have been expected or unexpected. And we are excited to serve you with a career pathway that is designed for you. You may be relaunching your career after raising a family or caring for loved ones, or perhaps you experienced a job loss and need to retrain. We will help you to create your new narrative and current work story through your personal brand and to launch your new career. Through our array of our professional development services, we help you to reinvent yourself and support you fully to build the job search expertise you need to succeed. Work with other like-minded students going through similar challenges in our multi-week support groups, which are facilitated by experienced career advisors, in addition to participating in our multi-week career workshop series, focusing on all aspects of career assessment, career investigation, and job search strategies. Regardless of what academic program you are enrolled in or what career pathway you opt into, whether you're full-time or part-time, pursuing a master's or a doctoral degree, we have the resources to support you throughout your TC experience from the time you begin with us. Our top priority are with our partnerships and collaborations with academic programs, faculty, and program directors across the college. In addition, we curate strategic partnerships for you to engage with employers through career fairs, networking events, employer showcases, on-campus interviews, employer roundtables, and more. Through individual appointments, career coaching, and co-working groups, we partner with you to move you through our Pathways curriculum. Our team at TC Next is eager to greet you and begin working with you. Take the first step and reach out to us once you get settled with your classes. We are here for you and cannot wait to meet you.
Welcome to TC Next. As your career success partners, TC Next assists in building out your career strategy and empowering the development of your unique skills. We do this by providing an array of resources and support systems that strengthen your stamina for the journey ahead. So how can you get access to your TC Next resources and support system? Well, there are two ways you can gain access to your TC Next career portal. The first is to visit our website at www.tc.columbia.edu/TCNext. Once there, you can find access to a variety of resources, including but not limited to templates, advisor bios, a calendar of upcoming events, and access to book an appointment with a career advisor. To do so, simply click on Make an Appointment, and it will take you directly to your career portal. The other way to gain access to your TC Next career portal is to log into your MyTC account. On the MyTC account, you'll find a calendar of our events on the left. You'll also find a space for our managed messages, and you'll also see that there is a feature for student resources. Click on that. Once you're within that tab, in the right-hand corner, you will see your TC Next Career Resources portal. Click on that. After you set up your account, you will be taken to your career portal homepage. To book an appointment with your career advisor, select Appointments. Once you're in Appointments, you will see a number of optional filters to search for an appointment, view any pending or approved appointments, and to make an appointment. To make an appointment, click Request New Appointment. You will then be prompted to complete a few filters, which include the appointment type you are seeking, the time, the date, an advisor, including the days of the week you are available. Once you have completed inserting your preferred filters, click Check Availability. You will then be able to see any availability for an advisor based on your filters. You will also see that there will be multiple advisors who will be available to assist you based off of your preferences. Select the best day and time for you. You will then see a form with your selected preferences and will select the appointment mode and attach any documentation you want to review during your appointment. Feel free to also include any notes on your particular situation and any needs or any interests you would like to focus on during your time with your advisor. You then click Submit Request and can expect a confirmation email confirming your appointment when it's approved. In addition to booking an appointment with your advisor, you can also RSVP for events on your career portal. To do so, return to the career portal homepage and select the drop-down feature for events. Once you find your desired event, you'll then be able to select what type of event you'd like to attend, and then select RSVP and look out for a confirmation email. For some events, you may even be prompted to submit your resume to be viewed by employers attending the event. Please be sure that the resume you select is also the most up-to-date form, and then simply click Submit. You've met us, and now we want to meet you. Join us on our social media platforms, or book an appointment this fall with your friends who put your career first.
Welcome to TC Next.